When I talk to customers, it's clear there's a ton of security debt. Tools like GitHub Advanced Security, they help you find security defects in your codebase, but customers are not paying that debt down quick enough, and teams are often just overwhelmed. So we're introducing security campaigns as first-class elements in GitHub. These help you break down that debt into achievable time-box chunks. With a security campaign, the company gets to define a set of work and the security vulnerabilities that need to be addressed by when. Let's pick an issue from our campaign. As you can see, this one's been in the codebase a while, but now when I go in, I can see that GitHub doesn't just detect the security vulnerability, now Copilot can also generate a fix. We can easily see the changes that it's proposing, and we can quickly create a PR containing the fix. That's where we run our full test suite, verify the change, and we can merge it into the codebase. This saves hours of developer time. Now let's go further. Not only do we want to detect vulnerabilities in your codebase, we want to stop them getting there in the first place. We can see here a change that's being proposed by one of our team members. Now, after it was submitted, GitHub Advanced Security has automatically run and inspected the code, and it's detected a security issue. But that's no problem, because Copilot has then suggested the fix. Now, this change is a bit more complex, so as a developer, I can quickly open the suggested change in a workspace to validate it. We can take a detailed look at what Copilot is proposing, and then we can apply that change. I can review any other changes suggested by my team, apply those, review them, and even edit the code in line here before committing these changes to my PR for review.